Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends in AFK Arena. To add friends in the AFK Arena, first of all, open the AFK Arena application on your device and then make sure to go to the friends section, which will be displayed after you tap on this little arrow right under quest. Now click on the friends tab and from the friends list, go ahead and tap on Friends Settings at the bottom left. You will then be able to add friends on the next page. You can use the search box at the top or select the player you'd like to add from the suggested list. To search for a specific friend using their player ID, you'll need to type in their name in this first tab. In this first search box, type in their name or their user ID and search. In the search result, if you find the player you would like to add, tap on the Apply button right next to their profile. After you tap on Apply, you will be able to send them the friend request. Once they accept your request, you will then be able to add them to your friend list. You can also go ahead and add friends from the suggested list by tapping the Apply button right next to their profile. And that's how you easily add friends in AFK Arena. After adding the friends, you can exchange in-game hearts with friends to summon heroes and progress faster, collaborate with friends to complete guild events and challenges. That is how you easily add friends in AFK Arena. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Crazy Gamer for more tutorials. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.